Hey there, folks. If you've got money in your Truist Bank account and need to send it to another bank, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through the entire process step by step. It's straightforward, secure, and can save you time and hassle. Whether you're paying off a loan, funding another account, or just managing your finances, this guide will get you up to speed quickly. First things first, you'll need to log into your Truist Bank online account or mobile app. If you don't have it set up, download the app from your phone's app store or head to the Truist website and enter your username and password. Once you're in, look for the Transfers or Move Money section. It's usually right on the dashboard for easy access. Next, select the option for External Transfers. This is where you'll connect to another bank. If you haven't added the external account before, you'll need to do that now. Just enter the routing number and account number of the bank you're sending money to, and Truist will verify it. Don't worry, this is a standard security step. Now, for the fun part. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check that the details are correct, including the account names and the dollar amount, to avoid any mistakes. You'll also see if there are any fees involved. Truist might charge a small fee for external transfers, so keep an eye on that. Hit confirm, and you're almost done. The transfer might take 1 to 3 business days to process, depending on the banks involved. While you're waiting, make sure to keep an eye on your accounts for confirmation. A quick tip. Always use secure networks when doing this to protect your information, and if you run into any issues, Truist's customer support is there to help. There you have it. Transferring money from Truist to another bank is a breeze. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more financial tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay smart with your money, everyone.